BJP challenges Ojoy. AITUC Manipur State Committee announces support to CPI candidate Dr. M. Nara in Lok Sabha polls. And PLA martyrs remembered, floral tributes paid. Good evening, you're watching Tom News. I'm Loving Rimai with you, giving you the news in details. Former Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat today demanded a prompt answer from veteran politician and Manipur PCC spokesperson Ojoy to point out the fault of CH Sanjit and TH Rabina and her baby in the womb who were killed in Khairamban firing of July 23, 2009. Sarat said he wants to challenge a debate if Ojoy says that he quit BJP and joined the Congress fold over the killing of Sanjit and Rabina under the shadow of Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA). At a press meet at BJP Imphal, Sarat further ridiculed Ojoy, calling him a toothless cow who was once a strong politician but does not stop from being a jabber till now. The BJP leader hit back at Joy, a former minister, for his alleged vulgarity. He demanded that Ojoy come up with an appropriate response on what was the fault of Sanjit and Rabina, who were killed in the infamous Khairamban firing, and the BJP is ready for a debate on it, Sarat challenged.
Supreme Court case to the Madura Congress Party said, Sina Achoka Moko Putumba Ekaduri, Marumangasi Tamon, Sang the Lady Nimas. I told the man at Torumba, Hidama Mayam, Manangama Mayam, Kaisaka. Nasi the armed forces special body key. Sibu introduced Torumba, Sibu Channel number, Egasibu Salai number, Congress Party, Yukal Marum Namasi, Lumaga, Naga, and the Pang.
Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress, Manipur State Committee, K.H. Brojandro today said that the union, which is made up of 53 different trade unions, will support Communist Party of India candidate for the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election to the inner parliamentary constituency, Dr. M. Nara. He announced the decision at a press meet held at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal, where several committee members including Y. Indrani and K.H. Samungo were present. K.H. Brojandro was hopeful that if elected, Dr. Nara will work for the welfare of the working class. He called on all the members to make an all-out effort to ensure Dr. Nara comes out victorious in the inner seat.
Dr. Morangthem Narana, Indian Manipur Parliamentary Constituency representative Amoina, Parliament, Sakhiba Targadi, so in a Simishingi sorted, Simishingi interest, Mana Isu Mayamasi, Simishingi, demanding as a soidana, Bukatuna, Simishingi, Matum Sang, Tanjariba, demanding as a soidana, Pangani Habi, Adumba, Asadu Luna, Chen Hazabulona, and the Kilaliba Singaba, Tate Suba, Indian Manipur Parliamentary Constituency election Sida, Dr. Morangthem Narabu. So in a Maki my pan with the Haribakogi, I to see the effect Torava, Puna Union Association, Yankagum, Sigi Karmi, Amasing leadership now. Can a full swing the work to have of the massive man of Samjari.
Floral tributes were paid to martyrs of People's Liberation Army (PLA) at Cheirauching, a hillock in Imphal West today. Families of the late cadres organized the function at the Martyrs Memorial Complex. Friends, relatives, leaders of civil society organizations, and Meira Paibis in mourning dress paid floral tributes at the complex under strict security arrangement taken up by Manipur Police. The Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) observes April 13 as Athoba Singin Ningsing Numit, Martyrs' Day, every year to pay respect to the 9 cadres of PLA, the armed wing of RPF, who were killed by security forces during a pitched battle at Kodompokpi on April 13, 1982. The day was also observed widely at RPF Headquarters, PLA General Headquarters, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 Mobile Battalion, and other units, departments, stations, and Central Bureau of the outfit where revolutionary respects were paid to the martyrs. The RPF Publicity Secretary Ruben Kuman, in statement, expressed heartfelt gratitude to people and various groups, all for honoring the PLA cadres on the occasion. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh has greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Chairauba Festival and stated in his message, "It gives me great pleasure to greet the people of Manipur on the very happy and auspicious occasion of Chairauba 2019, which falls on April 14, 2019. Chairauba, a socio-cultural festival of the people of Manipur, heralds the arrival of a new year. The festival marks rejuvenation of the spirit of the family and relationship. We celebrate Chairauba with religious fervor and joy. The festival strengthens the bond of love in the family and in the community in general. I join the people of Manipur in the celebration of Chairauba festival and pray that the festival will bring joy, prosperity, and peaceful coexistence among all people of the state." The Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy of Manipur University, Human Rights Alert, Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association, and Center for Human Rights Studies of the Jindal Global University today jointly organized a one-day consultation on application of transitional justice framework for the families of the victims of extrajudicial executions in Manipur at Courtroom, Administrative Block, Manipur University, Kanchipur.
Masiga commensurate over justice pigadabuni haisi 2016 da mayek sengna pibire adumakpu huzik phawda 2019 yausala abasi phawda akhoida investigation khara natana huzik phawba potsigi justice issues address tawdriba aduna lemhoriba lisingamaga chamri sigidi justice ki potsi kari oibham thoi amadi makhoida pigadoriba moigi thokriba thodoksigi truth aduga moida pigadoriba justice amadi moida mangriba tagriba mayam state ki illegal action amana family da phanghanriba awaba mayam se kamain tawdana restitute tawni haibagi question amadi masi amuk hanna tholoktanaba guarantee of non repetition masi amuk hanna thoroktanaba kari kari tawpham thoi haibadu akhoi mayam punna khanajabani.
And now for a quick break, more news updates on the other side. Stay with us.
lamjingbatomtv Limited ki members singda akaknaba matam kharakaki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan laubiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobiba yagani akaknaba matam khara khaki oiba khudongchaba sing asi lobiranaba member singda ningsingjari masiga loina loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingbatomtv Limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com website www.lamjingbatomtvlimited.com. Located in the heart of Imphal City, ECHAN Restaurant Hotel YAIPHABA can even more brighten up your beautiful days. With best sizzler platters in the city, we have separate kitchens for veg and non-veg. Also offers you with chef specials on weekends. Enjoy your happy hours with our best services. ECHAN Restaurant, Hotel YAIPHABA, MG Avenue, Imphal. For home delivery, kindly contact 9856003956 or 9856003957.
nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthukjani hinglibasingse mama amana bokpani mama do nupi ne habase kormal
nipa poksunati ipa numanga tawdana ari amada senting na bathabu
aibu nangi angang lawnaba thamba miro senaba ngamdragana nupi ni kaidodoino khongbandra kaino hundokchu kaino
piba amadi poktaba yadabani taunariba mayam chi khangedana
nasigi government sidi aphaba mibu oirdi sel kaisu tingdrasu yare sel piba lobagi haina bido loi muthakre
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi kedo bokpiramino hadok
lema
yadro
nang tamo khaktani
nusidiye
phai phai nang ngasidigi ai amon uni di khallu
kadai chatoiba
Pakistan salaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino aidi nang pelo dida
nang honari da hanbalai tana dum honagadabani Kidoroge
nangi husiki wahaido karino khangdana thamoida pale
Welcome back. All Jiribam United Clubs Association, in collaboration with Krishna Diagnostic Center, organized a free diagnostic test program at Meitei Naha Club MNC in Ningthambam, Jiribam, in continuation of this recent free health camp conducted in different localities and clubs in the district since 6th of March. The free health camp was held under the guidance of Vice President of Ajuka, M. Premchandra. The free diagnostic test camp was held under the National Health Mission.
Krishna Diagnostics, Nixingkul Integrated Hospital, Amadi, All Jiribam United Club Association, Azuka, Anina Kusam Naraga, Satar Padum Lava, Pugi, Jiribamgi, Tongan Ba, Club Singda, Satar free diagnostics test, Marina, Manu government, Dum Lava, National Health Mission Makada, Pugi, Pantok Chariba, Dum Lava. Prasada free of cost test ama koi tauba kudong chawal lei re bagi adum laba message sama puraga all Jiribam United Club Ajuka amadi Krishna Diagnostics na kugi hujiri Jiribam gi Meitei Naha Club Ningthambam Jiribam da hujiri pangtok chari
Palel garrison of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under IGAR South saved the village of Maypau from catching a wildfire on April 11. One of the duty posts of Palel garrison spotted the wildfire approaching the perimeter of the garrison and nearby Maypau village, IGAR South said in a statement. Swift wind and already spread out dried leaves and haystack further caused the fire to spread quickly beyond the control of villagers. Responding promptly to the situation, two teams led by officers rushed and reached both the locations simultaneously. The team cordoned the area immediately to ensure the safety of civilians, followed by controlling the wildfire with all available firefighting equipment. 3 water browsers with pumps and pipes were quickly pressed into service and were stationed near the garrison perimeter to control the wildfire. By 10:30 in the night, troops were able to control the situation. Timely and prompt action of the troops of Assam Rifles saved the village from getting engulfed by wildfire. The fire rescue mission received an overwhelming response from the villagers and gratitude from the village chief. The action will further augment the bonhomie and positive relationship between the security forces and local populace, the statement added. The proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party has greeted the peoples of Kangleipak, Manipur, Wisya, and fellow underground groups in Wisya region on the occasion of Outfit's 39th Rising Day, which falls on April 14 tomorrow. In a statement signed by KCP Information and Publicity Secretary in charge S. Mangal, President of the outfit, Laba Meitei, on behalf of the group, in his anniversary message alleged that the people have long been brought under the yoke of government of India through normative law under legal rational authority so that the people can never back on feet. The message also presented a viewpoint of KCP on the current real issues and challenges in Manipur. Dongbram Mandeshwari, an employee of RIMS Sulab, today strongly condemned the order issued to several employees of Sulab public washrooms inside the RIMS campus to quit their work and vacate the campus. She stated this during a press meet which was attended by family members of the employees held at the Irawat Bhavan today. She added there are around 15 public washrooms within the RIMS campus and its employees have been working there for a long time. Some of them don't have their own house and land. She further said that under the MSS, the employees get only Rs 3,950 per month as their salary. Mandeshwari asserted that they came to know through WhatsApp that an organization called CRED took over the management last month, and later a notice was put up to vacate the place by 20th of this month, to which MSS officials have also failed to help them out. Dongbram Mandeshwari appealed to the concerned authority to look into the plight of the 15 families who are working there and let them continue to work without snatching away their shelters.
RIMS sanitary sulab staff singi mahut silaga ngangjabani akoi first koi date 7 January 1995 tagi agi imal legidre asok koina aspo masa yogla chengdana khotana aso wana mayong na kanda akoi moina pi yomo hara khoi chat kadraba akoi ge hak kaino ba asukoina leirapagi akoi haje akoina pami jatai nati akoi chacharage satlage adu Hazana, nangi soiba sini, nangi na sini habe prop ama buthopio ba koi chat ke ba. Adu su amat tanatana koi chat kro hara koi kamai chat to ino ba. Akoi ge hak laitra bra sini akoi na hangningi ko chanje. Company farm mayam laksano ba akoi hajik haijaning ja akoi farm am tagi makhada minai wena nai thangoi leijaning dre akoi subam thobat phata haudi apu masa loi sengjarage sujarage akoi lengdana lehenbiu rims ki makhada akoi suraga akoi tongana rim sarkana loksan bi bani manung da lei bani hairaga thoga lehen biu sine akoi simi singi me amahut silaga angang oi baina mayam daina request taujari amagi natana akoi bu hingan biu akoi bu ningsi biu.
Keeping an aim to make young children more intelligent and their brains more functional, a one-day mid-brain activation cum lecture on DMIT was held at the Yaripok Laimanai Community Hall today. It was organized by Genius Mind Academy Yaripok under the supervision of Genius Mind Technology Imphal. Director of Genius Mind Technology Imphal, Narajit Moirangthem, its head trainer M. Sujata, along with trainer Suchitra and administrator of the academy M. Bina were attended during the event, in which around 300 students of the academy, including their guardian, also took part. Director Narajit Moirangthem gave a detailed lecture about the role of midbrain activation and its contribution in making a child's brain active. He also added that the lecture program will definitely give an insight on the benefits of midbrain activation to the participants.
Midbrain activation amadi DMIT ki kanabasing asi culture sing amadi students sing ki mapam da kanganduna hena paba hena sakotpa pabak punayama aduga tinchang kaichang daba hena paba student kaya puthungna bagi pandam ama oina asi Genius Mind tengna mapam kaya satuna awareness program asi pangthok jawan.
Manipur State Commission for Women, under the aegis of National Commission for Women, organized a two-day legal awareness program at Top Chingtha Community Hall, Yaripok today. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. Binota Mainam, member of 16 Tulihal Zila Parishad, Kongbam Inaucha, and member of Manipur State Commission for Women, Ranjita Golme, were the main guests. Around 150 men and women attended the program, where Senior Advocate N.G. Tachkumar spoke on domestic violence, Senior Advocate Khaidan Chanta spoke on women and laws, and Advocate T.H. Rajkishore spoke on property rights of women as resource person of the program. And now for another quick break, stay with us.
Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur and Loba, Class 12 ki parikha, the 3rd position, Yumnam Devjit, 9th position, Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Koronganba, 10th position, Lystam Imoba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagol Sem Biki Singh Ne. Arts stream da Aniswa position Takraba Takil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkom Gunchenba, 4th position Texan James Singh, 5th position Moirangthem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Lagliba Lok Sabha Mikhal da Adomgi Mamal Naidraba Vote Manghan Biganu, Afava Mirep Khanbiraga matam chana lakpi raga vote thadabiyo laibak sembada saruk yaminasi.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend a whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Advanced booking for events, conferences and party, 50+ covers. Aris Tower since 2002. Kindly contact us at 9612719966. Address Uripo Hudrom Lekai, UK Road, opposite petrol pump.
Welcome back. Doctors and staffs of government hospitals in Tripura have threatened to resign en masse, demanding action against the people who beat up a surgeon, Dipankar Devnath, yesterday. He was brutally beaten up by family members of a woman who died in the labor room of the hospital. Dipankar Devnath of Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital in Agartala was beaten up till he fell unconscious, was then admitted to Govind Ballabh Pant Medical College and Hospital in the city with serious injuries. The Indian Medical Association and the All Tripura Government Doctors Association, the two main bodies of doctors in the state, protested against the incident and said that nearly 10 similar incidents of manhandling the doctors have occurred in different state hospitals. The two bodies have also demanded fast-track court trials against the accused and demanded permanent police pickets be set up in the government hospitals and installation of CCTV cameras in the hospitals. Meanwhile, the state CPI workers and leaders staged a protest rally in Agartala demanding repoll in 464 polling booths across West Tripura seat and claimed that ruling party with the help of administration reduced entire election process into a farce. This is in sharp contrast to the claims made by the Saffron Party that voting was peaceful and electors exercised their franchise in a festive mood. Former Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Thanhawla claimed that the BJP was trying to establish a religion-based kingdom in the country. He also said that even many Hindus do not agree with the BJP's Hindutva policy and its bid to transform India into a Hindu kingdom. Former Chief Minister also slammed the BJP government by saying that the attempt of the party to make the country comprising diverse ethnic communities into a religious-based kingdom would only result in national disintegration. He claimed that the unemployment rate in the country has been quite high during the rule of the Narendra Modi-led government. The former Mizoram Chief Minister hoped that the Congress would return to power in 2019 and also thanked the people for peaceful polling for the lone Lok Sabha seat in Mizoram. Mizoram has recorded the overall voter turnout at 63.08%, with 63.60 male voters and 62.53 female voters exercising their suffrage in the first phase of parliamentary polls held on April 11th last. Longturi Pahar, a village situated along the Assam-Meghalaya border, is yet to find its place in the electoral map of the country. According to reports, not a single person among the 25 Garo families living in the village has been enrolled as a voter. The families have given up hope that they can make it to the electoral rolls in the third round of Lok Sabha election when Guwahati goes to the polls on April 23. Longturi Pahar, about 90 kilometers from Guwahati, has remained far apart from the hula baloo of the election campaigns going on in most of the rural areas of the state. The village has remained calm and peaceful as usual when fierce campaigns between various rival parties are going on in the state. Longturi Pahar has about 130 people and most of them are over 18 years and are eligible voters. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is scheduled to attend her first election rally in Assam tomorrow. The roadshow will start around 10 a.m. and she will be participating in a meeting at Silchar in southern Assam, where she will canvass for party nominee and sitting MP Sushmita Devi. This will be Priyanka Gandhi's first campaign for election in the state. Silchar will go to the polls in the second phase on April 18. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has said he is interested in meeting Donald Trump again only if the US comes with the right attitude. He said the breakdown in talks with the US had raised the risks of returning to past tensions and that he would wait until the end of this year for the US to decide. Kim, in a speech, said that the US needs to stop this current way of calculation and comes to us with a new calculation. Trump and Kim have met twice, in Hanoi earlier in February and Singapore in June, building goodwill but failing to agree on a deal to lift sanctions in exchange for North Korea abandoning its nuclear and missile programs. Before we wind up today's news, let's go through the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. BJP ban on imposing Hindutva in Northeast, says Congress. BJP has ushered in new era, says Chief Minister. PIL against 5 new hill districts dismissed. Dr. Nara pledges to address drug issue. Chaos rules Thangal Kaichel. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister Viren predicts BJP dreams in outer seat. Ibobi. Violence, turbulence hallmark of BJP government. Dr. Nara pledges to address drug issues in state. RK Kaiku pledges to uphold indigenous interests. Imphal Free Press. Young voters con on CPI candidate Dr. Nara. Female victim of election-related assault lodges FIR. Malpractice in elections hampers true spirit of democracy, says Kaiku. M. Nara pledges to address drug issue in state if elected to power. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister explained how Manipur will be protected if CAB is passed, says O. Navakishore. Current political situation will favor regional parties, says NEIDP. Tripura's Health Minister gives off security a day after Dr. beaten unconscious. PM Modi's visit to Assam on polling day violates Model Code of Conduct, says Gogoi. Manipur Mail. BJP trying to establish religious-based kingdom, says Laltan Haula. Seal EVM machines kept in strong room. So-cause notice issue in Mizoram. Congress rules out alliance with AAP. Naga People's Front on Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister.
Now the top stories once again. Door widely open for debate, BJP challenges Ojoy. AITUC Manipur State Committee announces support to CPI candidate Dr. M. Nara in Lok Sabha polls. And PLA martyrs remembered, floral tributes paid. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.